Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning the feature on, go to Settings, then System, then Gestures. Enable the quick circle or draw to search option so the phone listens for your motion. Once done, grant the required permissions, microphone and search, because without them the gesture can't trigger web or voice results. Make sure battery saver is disabled for this gesture to respond reliably. Low power modes often throttle sensors. Now you're ready for the first test draw. You perform the circle with deliberate motion, hold the device steady, and use one finger only. Draw a clockwise circle starting near the center of the screen, quick, but smooth, and the phone should detect it and open the search interface. If it misses, return to gestures and tweak sensitivity or detection options. Calibration helps because environmental vibration and screen protectors can interfere. Practice a few times so your muscle memory matches the sensor expectations. Once the search interface appears, you can either speak your query or type it. Voice is faster for short commands, while typing helps exact phrases. Tap suggestions to refine results or use the back gesture to return. If the circle stops working, reboot the phone first, then re-enable the gesture and recheck permissions. Microphone and search access often reset after updates. If problems persist, remove screen protector or lower gesture sensitivity. Those two often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.